emotionally hurt me. Baby, what have you done? You emotionally hurt me. No, I don't like you. No, I don't. No, I don't like you. Why are you still here? Why are you still here? Never respond. You're unresponsive for several days. But I never understood. You never told me anything. I only didn't respond 'cause I was grounded. I don't know about you.
Now, what do you want?
I don't know about you.
Here's the good
I don't know about you.
You want the
Why have you never responded? Never responded.
Here's
I don't understand why you're unresponsive.
chicken avocado and
Nice little girls, and they're very smart, and they deserve that.
Oh
I don't have cheese.
yeah.
There you go.
Baby, you just walk away from me.
Ham.
Yeah, we do.
I just looked on Google. I could tell you don't care about. You told me you cared like a friend, but really you don't. That was a big lie. Why will you never answer me? Will you never answer me? If you really cared, you would answer me. Anytime soon, like tomorrow. Why you never answering me? Why are you never answering me? I got a lot to say, but this is only one thing I got to say. That I've got to say. It's 2 in the morning. I'm still thinking about you. Don't got any text. What are you doing? You're not even replying to your cousin's thing. Why are you answering me? I couldn't answer 'cause I was grounded. I don't know about you because you won't stay. Maybe if you answer, you could tell me why you won't answer me. Why you won't answer
But that's it. You know, nothing where it's going to make any money. Nothing where it's going to happen. It's just going to be, effort.
answering me?
Just enough to escape.
Why you weren't answering me?